Friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about Walgreens right off the bat and more 90% spotted, including these gorgeous creams by CoverGirl. They look a little bit fancy. The original price was $19.99 down to $1.99. Look for them in the clearance section or in your skincare aisle. 90%, there's nothing better than that. First midweek deal that we're going to look at is on the 7th generation products. This deal is courtesy of GME coupons here on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Very good Walgreens shopper and a friend of the channel. So thank you, Gabby, for this awesome deal. So these 7th generation products, and we're going to go through all of them, priced at $3.99. They're 20% off. This promotion is taking place till the end of the month. It is $2 of Walgreens cash when you buy one. And there isn't a limit that you can do. So you are specifically looking for items that are tagged this way. And we're looking for items that are like $3.99 or less to maximize your savings. There's also Kleenex and paper towels probably found in bigger markets. Unfortunately, we only had the dish soap and the disinfectant wipes priced at $3.99 up here, but still tried to make a deal out of something. But you're looking specifically for this tag, 20% off. As you can see, bottom right hand corner, good through January the 28th. So putting 4 of these into a basket for $21.76. You can roll some Walgreens cash if you wish, as long as you're not doing this in concert with a booster. And for each one you're buying, you're getting back $2 in Walgreens cash. So that's 8 back in total. It makes it $4.86 for the 4 or $1.19 per. And again, if you're doing this not with a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash or a store register reward to pay down the balance. But if you like this fancier 7th generation cleaner or dish soap, disinfectant wipes, paper products, this is definitely the deal for you. Okay, so in this next deal, I used this paper booster, which is 9 back when you spend 40, along with this one from last week, $7 of Walgreens cash when you spend 25. I also had $2 boosters from the Dawn deal. I did it twice, so I could utilize 2 of them as they are manufacturer register rewards. For all of the new shoppers out there that are like, I don't understand, if you look at the top, it says manufacturer coupon at the very, very top. Expires January the 15th. Thus, you can use that with a booster deal. Just to show you my basket, I grabbed 5 of the 7th generation disinfectant wipes. They're like $3.19 a pop. I'm actually running low on disinfectant wipes. If you have pets, you know what I'm talking about. 2 of the whole blends for $8, and then 3 of the Bounce dryer sheets. So they're all different promotions, and definitely $40 right here. So with the Garnier whole blends, they are 2 for $8. We have a 3 off of 2 digital, $4 store register reward when you buy 2, and it's either for the whole blends or alternatively the Garnier Fructis, because that 3 off 2 digital, we got 2 of them. So whichever one is your favorite, just do them in separate transactions, as that $4 register reward will only print once per transaction. Show you, this is the digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. It expires on Saturday. So if you like the whole blends and this is your thing, by all means, make it happen. I also grabbed 3 laundry care items by P&G. Lots of the different fabric softeners, Tide Pods, Tide Liquid. Sorry, I didn't grab photos of everything. Gain as well is part of this. It's on this promotion to buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. Now, one product we actually have a digital coupon. It's this blue box of the dryer sheets. It's only the 50 count. And we have a $2 digital that is attaching to that product. And just to show you, so I mean, just a little bit of extra savings pour vu. So looking at the overall math for this basket, and again, I'm trying to get $40 going here. 5 of the 7th generation products for $15.95, 2 of the Garnier whole blends for $8, 3 Bounce dryer sheets for $16.47, including that blue box of the static one. So my total here was $40.42. I had my booster loaded, which is 7 back when you spend 25. Had that paper booster too, so I got the cashier to scan that for me. I also presented $2 register rewards from the Dawn deal earlier this week, and I had $5 in digitals a 3 off a 2 for the whole blends, and then a $2 off for those bounce dryer sheets. With my debit card, I paid $33.42. I got back $26 in Walgreens cash, 10 for 7th generation, 9 for one booster, 7 for another booster. Take a breath. I also got $9 back in register rewards, 4 for the whole blends, and then 5 for the Tide or the bounce deal. So it made this offer free plus a $1.58 moneymaker. Remember, as you're using those boosters, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards or it will mess things up. Just to show you guys, like that register reward for the whole blends is in fact a store coupon. The $5 one, sorry guys, j'ai lazy today. It's a manufacturer for that one. So yeah, just really great to get $9 back in register rewards. Okay, the next deal we're going to look at is some of the clearance. On Sunday's video, I showed you guys like a whole bunch of hot tools that I found, like, you know, curling irons, hair dryers, that sort of stuff. Also, hair dye is part of it, the shampoo as well. So these were 45 cents a pop. So for 2 of them, it's the Revlon hair dyes that were part of this clearance, 90% off. So it was 90 cents for the 2. And then they have a promotion of buy 2, get $2 back in Walgreens cash. Yes, I did in fact get it. And then IBOTTA has $1 back when you buy 2 of these dyes. So I got another $1 back. So it made it free plus a $2.10 moneymaker. Yes, this isn't my color, but definitely an item that I can donate in the future. Okay, so something I want to talk about now is the Christmas clearance over at Walgreens. I know a lot of you have store register rewards, Walgreens cash, and you definitely want to stock up on some meat and potato stuff utilizing Walgreens cash or store register rewards. I personally think that's a super smart way to go. As per the Freebie Guys post, on Friday, January the 6th, so this upcoming Friday, the second wave will happen. Is it going to be 70% off? Is it going to be 60% off? We do not know. And then the following week, which is the 13th, it's going to be the third wave. Is it going to be 70 or 80? Who knows? Last year, the Christmas clearance was very weird and slow moving over at Walgreens. And the most that they went was 80%. So if I can guess here, I'm going to think this Friday it'll maybe hit 70, and the week after it will be 80. And then that weekend of the 13th, 14th, 15th, they'll box everything up and send it to an auction house where Walgreens merchandise, you know, they pool it together. And then people that buy really big pallets of shelf pulls, seasonal shelf pulls, it's going to be sent out there, and they will buy it, and you know, Walgreens will make a lot more money than selling it at 90% off. Really confusing thing about last year was that certain toys by certain manufacturers were not included. So if you are going to go really hard with clearance and you're looking for toys and certain items, get the cashier to give you a price check on a lot of your items so you just don't pay full price or 50%. For whatever reason, Starbucks was not part of it, or certain Starbucks only went to 50 and that was it. It was really, really confusing and weird. And then one thing that really kind of irritated me was with the Yankee Candle, the triple packs. They didn't go past 50% last year. And then I do follow some of these buyers who buy like very large, you know, pallets of shelf pulls and, you know, $20,000-$30,000 of after season merchandise from Walgreens or whatever, and it was full of Yankee Candles, and I was like, oh, that must be nice. So we'll have to wait and see till Friday, guys, but just throw that in your back pocket, especially if you have to come into work later or whatever. The tentative date is Friday the 6th. It's going to be the second wave, and we don't know the percentage yet. And then on the 13th, it's supposed to be the third and final wave of clearance over at Walgreens. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.